Hi, everyone. My name is Roberto. I'm from Stone 181, Chico, California, and welcome to The Lab. Today we're talking about the LG washer with Turbo Wash 360. This guy right here, you can power clean big loads in under 30 minutes. More laundry, less time. 4.5 cubic feet of clothes. You can wash all this in the LG Turbo Wash. It's incredible, right? You can control remotely the LG with the SmartThinQ app or with your voice assistants. This is pretty cool. I can use my phone to control the LG washer even when I'm not home. My mom does a lot of laundry because we're a big family. And of course, I'm gonna give it to my mom one of these days. I love my mom. She's so sweet. Laundry is your best friend now with the LG washer Turbo Wash 360. Thanks for stopping by The Lab. Adios.